I don't know what's worse, the fact that she's up right now or the fact that she has been dancing to no music. And hey, what you doing up, Mama Tank? What are you doing? And I didn't take her hair down yesterday. Like, this baby is crazy. Tankin, what? What is he doing, Tank? You're in a great mood. Mommy love that. Good morning. Say good morning. I said say good morning now. Good morning, pretty girl. Blow kiss it. Mwah. She like, do it look like I blow kisses to you? What? What? Keep your hands to yourself. I love you. Say bye bye. Say bye bye.